Hello today, I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the DANSI Bike lights for night riding. It's a super bright with flashing functions, easy to install, tools free bike light set. This bike accessories for men, women and kids and so on is compatible to road, to mountain bikes, to speed bikes, to nearly all kinds of bikes, of course, cycling bikes, bicycles, accessories for our pedelecs, for example. It's compatible to every bike out there. We stay safe and, of course, visible with the DANSI bicycle lights because it comes with a battery life. A long journey in the night, no prop. Then the DANSI front light holds up to 6 hours, and the rear light even up to 15 hours of battery life before the battery run out and has to be replaced or has to be reloaded. The brightness for every situation. The front light can switch between 15 and 30 looks at the touch of a button to offer us the right luminosity in any situation. And safety. No worry about that. Both lights are completely splash waterproof, so they can used in rainy days and in dark days too, of course. And the mounting means tool-free and simple. The lights are quickly mounted thanks to the special support, and they are also suitable for children's bikes too, so it is a visible quality. This bike set here comes with 15 lumen IPX6 international protection rating, and it's in the back side and in the front side attachable on your bicycle. It is an STV0 LED bike set with rear and front lights. You can switch between 30 and 15 looks, and it's bump proof, and of course it is proof against water. This is the DANSI bike light. You can easily attach it to your bike on the front side or on the rear side. Tools free, baby, and then with a touch of a button you are safer on the way at the night time. This is the DANSI bike light for night riding. Super bright with flashing function as you like, and easy to install as you can see, and it's a good bike accessory to navigate at night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.